Hey G Squad, welcome back to an episode of Is It Worth It? So for today's episode, we have this cool measurement right here. And basically what this is rechargeable moonlight. This is basically what the packaging looks like right here. So when you guys look at the slide right here, they mention how there's 16 different colors on here. And they also provide you guys the remote to use the controller as well. They do have like bigger ones or smaller one available. The one that we got right here is a 4.8 inch. But I'm actually open this up to show you guys what the product looks like and show you guys what's included inside first. Alright, so when you guys first open up, you guys can see that this is basically actually looks like inside. So you definitely see they provide you guys the remote control right here and they provide you guys the moonlight option. But let's take it out. Alright, so when you guys first take it out, you guys can see that they do provide you guys a little package right here. That basically includes the cable right here and they provide you guys the stand option right here. And right here they do provide the user manual to teach you guys how to install the product and how to set it all up. And then right here we do have the remote control right here and we also have the actual product right here. So I'm actually take everything out and assemble it to show you guys how to assemble it first. So first thing I want to do is take out the cable and also the stand first. Alright, so right here we have the stand. The way how you guys set it up is basically like this. So basically I want to insert one of them inside right here like this. Push it in all the way. Once you guys do that, you guys want to work on the next part right here. So you basically want to insert this hole right here and this one goes inside right here. And you basically want to push it in. Alright, so once you guys push it in, this is basically actually looks like for the stand option right here. So when you guys put it down on a flat surface, this is basically actually looks like. So now let's take out the moonlight and put it on top. Alright, so when you take it out, you guys can see that this is basically what the product looks like. So definitely have like that moon design on here. But when you guys light it up, it definitely looks a lot cooler. So basically just want to put it on top like this. And you basically just want to put it onto a flat table. And it's all set. So if you guys want to just use the product as is like this, you could definitely do that as well. But if you guys want to light it up, you do need to plug the cable in the bottom part right here. So I'm actually do that first. So I'm going to use the cable that they provided for us right here. So I basically want to just insert this part right here and put the cable through the actual stand right here. Alright, so just like that. And the other side, you basically want to plug it into a wall charger or power bank or whatever. So that does use a USB option. You can definitely plug it into anything that supports USB. Whether you want to plug into your computer, your power bank, or wall charger. You can definitely use it however you guys want to. Alright, so we got it plugged in. Now let me actually take out the remote. Alright, so when we take out the remote, you can definitely see there's a lot of different buttons on here. And definitely increase or lower the brightness on here. And you can change all the different color options on here as well. And also inside right here, they do have the timer option as well. And then bottom part right here, they do have the different lighting options as well. So if you guys want to use different lighting on here, you definitely can. And the bottom part right here, you do need to actually pull this part out in order for you guys to use it. So just like that. So now the product is basically ready to use. So let's test it out. So if we turn it on, you guys see how it turns on. But because it's really bright right now, you guys can't really see it too well. So I'm actually turn off the light first. Alright, so when we turn off the light, you can see it so much better now. So if you guys want to change the different colors on here, you definitely can. So right now it's red. Now it's green. Now it's blue. Now it's white. If I want to change the different patterns on here, I can click on the bottom. So here's one of them, and that is the flash mode. If you want to do smooth, this is smooth. If you want to do fade, this is fade. If I want to do strobe, this is strobe. And if I want to change to any other colors on here, I can definitely press the buttons on here to actually change it. You guys see, you can definitely adjust all the colors on here. And if you guys want to increase or lower the brightness on here, you definitely can as well. So if we actually lower it, that is the lowest. If we increase it, that is the brightest right there. So you can definitely see that's actually really bright when you guys actually use it. So if you guys want to use this like a night light, you definitely can. And like I mentioned, they do have the timer option on here as well. So if you guys want to use that option, you definitely can. And basically what the timer option does is you guys set a timer on here. And after whatever time you guys set, it will turn off by itself. So maybe after 15 minutes, after 30 minutes, it will turn off by itself if you guys turn it on. So this is basically what the product looks like once you guys fully assemble it. If you can see, it definitely works really well and it definitely looks really cool as well. So the cool thing about this part right here is the fact that they do give you guys the option to use a remote. Or if you guys want to use the touch control, you definitely can as well. So if you guys touch the bottom part here, you can definitely change all the color options on here if you guys don't want to use the remote option. And basically for this part right here, it takes roughly around 2 hours to fully charge it. And if you guys want to use it wireless, you definitely can. But basically when the product is fully charged, you can get up to 6 hours of usage on here, which is pretty awesome. So obviously if it's your first time using the product, you definitely want to fully charge it before you guys use it. If you guys want to get that full 6 hours of usage on here. But if you guys want to leave it plugged in, you can definitely do that as well. So that is basically everything that's on the product. now to unboxing and testing the product, now to answer the question of whether or not it's actually worth it or not. So for this product, I would definitely have to say that it is pretty worth it if you guys want one or need one of these, especially if you guys are trying to look for a high quality moonlight where you can definitely use it like a night light as well. And also the fact of how they give you guys remote control where you can actually control different colors on here or different patterns. If you guys are trying to look for a moonlight that has all that option on here, then I would definitely have to say that this is worth it. But then obviously for those of you guys who don't want or don't need one or having one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save your money for something else that you do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out and it will definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.